In this video, we'll show you how to create a box plot that doesn't just summarize multiple populations, but each population can have more than one variable. So we have 4 high schools: Columbus East, Columbus North, Bloomington High School South, Bloomington High School North, and we've tracked how the students did on an achievement test on English, math, and history. And we want to see quickly, visually, a summary of how the students at these different schools did on these different subjects. So we need to select all the data. We could do Control Shift right arrow, down arrow, nothing wrong with that. But a quicker way, if you want the whole range and you have a cell, your cursor in a cell in that range, is do Control asterisk. So I'm doing Control asterisk and it selects the whole range. That's a little quicker. So I can do Insert and I can do a box plot here, statistics chart. You'll learn about this chart here, the Pareto chart, in a later lesson in this module. So now I'll do box plot. Now again, I like to make this black. It shows up much better. Okay, so now you can see the blue is Columbus East, the red is Columbus North, then we have orange for Bloomington High School North, and a different color for Bloomington High School South. And then we have the English, math, and we have the history basically summarized. So we have 4 boxes for English, 1 for each high school, 4 boxes for math, box plots for math, 4 box plots for history. Now what we see here is, okay, the one that's Columbus North, okay, the second one from the left, it always seems to be higher. That indicates in each subject, Columbus North seems to be the best school. And unfortunately, Bloomington High School North, which is in my hometown, I should have changed the data. For each subject, English, math, and history, Bloomington High School North appears to be lower. In other words, their scores are worse than the other 3 high schools. So we've got over here 500 rows times 4 columns of data, which is difficult to make sense of, but when we put this in a box plot, we can in seconds quickly visually see what's going on with the data. And I think this example really shows you the power of box plots, which again were added to Microsoft Excel 2016. They were not present in earlier versions of Excel. So in our next lesson, we'll turn our attention to categorical data.